Another budget mid-range andito ulit sa ating table. And I have here is the Samsung Galaxy A13 na I believe should be something that you should consider if you're looking for a budget na mid-ranger that can perform. And of course, before that, unbox muna tayo. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Let's just simply unbox the Samsung Galaxy A13 right now. Ayan guys, open na natin ang black variant nitong Samsung Galaxy A13. And I have here is the 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which is currently priced at 9,500. I'll be posting the official link on the description box below. Just check it out. Apparently sa likod, kita natin may 5 butas. And it's a quad camera setup. The other one is a LED flash. Sa ilalim kita natin, the Samsung logo is down here. Pasyali ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim meron siya loudspeaker, Type-C port, and of course, microphone in and the audio jack. On the right side, power button na may fingerprint scanner plus the volume rockers. Sa ibabaw, noise cancelling mic. On the left side, ang iyong SIM tray. So, subukan lang natin sundutin. Tingnan natin kung anong setup meron dito. Apparently, it's a triple card slot. So, 2 nano SIM plus 1 micro SD. Remember, it's a 4G connectivity. Sa harap, it's a 8MP na teardrop notch na selfie cam. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the Exynos na 850. It's a 8nm chip, 4G ang capability niya. For me, it's quite smooth, no? I didn't see any problem swiping left and right. And giving it some multitasking, I can say okay naman siya. Wala akong nagiging problema. And it was able to perform without a problem, be it social media, watching videos, or even just some mild games, kaya-kaya naman niya. And this is the score na makukuha mo when you run Antutu benchmark version 9.4.0. And the chip is simply just a very basic na chip. It's nothing na super duper powerful, but it's able to do all the multitasking na task na kaya mo ibigay sa kanya. Now, what I like about this phone is malaki-laki kanyang battery. And the weight isn't really that heavy, 195 grams. And the only thing na hindi ko masyado trip dito sa phone na ito is plastic ang likod niya. And it feels a little bit plasticky talaga at first. But kunting sanayan lang and lagyan mo siguro ng case, well, it might feel a little bit more premium. But if you're using it bare, talaga mafe-feel mo plasticky ang feel. Charging this phone might be a pain in the ass. Even though the 15 watts ang kaya niya support, the only charger na kasama dito, and well, you have to be thankful may charger pa kasama dito sa loob ng box na ito, it's a 10 watts na charger. And it took me around 3.5 hours just to complete charging this phone. It's quite slow, and probably I might suggest that you might need to buy yourself a separate charger that can charge it a little bit faster. Pag 15 watts, matatapos siya in roughly 2.5 hours. And if you ask me kung ano marirecommend kong charger, I would suggest that you buy this one. Ugreen Gun Fast Charger na 65 watts. Even though this phone doesn't support 65 watts, you can use it on your other phones. Back to the topic, itong phone na ito was able to last me throughout the day without a problem. And of course, ang daily task ko is simple. Just browsing through social media, doing some calls, checking some emails, and well, doing some video calls on Viber and mild games, and of course, watching some videos. Okay, kaya naman na tumagal ng whole day, walang problema. And another surprising factor is that itong phone na ito can survive 13 hours and 39 minutes na screen on time based dito kay PC Mark. Quite impressive. And did you know guys that itong phone na ito has a 6.6-inch na PLS LCD, and it's probably a proprietary by Samsung. Gawa ni Samsung itong LCD na ito. And it's a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. That's probably another surprising factor na meron dito sa phone na ito. No? The front screen is tough. against scratches. And itong phone na ito is running Android 12 together with One UI 4.1. It's quite smooth and I love the interface, very simple to use and very user-friendly. Now, tinry ko manood ng videos here on this phone. I was really blown away na okay ang kanya display, no? And sinabi ni Samsung na itong PLS LCD would give you a very nice na display even though that it's not AMOLED. It's okay. It doesn't mean na kung hindi AMOLED, pangit na siya. But at the end of the day, it's more of how you would be able to enjoy yung display niya, no? And I can say na okay naman ang rendering na ng mga videos dito. I was able to watch some of videos here on YouTube and on Netflix. Okay naman siya. Now, another surprising thing dito is level 1 na ang kanyang security level dito sa phone na ito. So, meaning you can watch all of your favorite shows on Netflix, on your online streaming app in HD. So, trying music dito sa phone na ito on its loudspeaker, playing on Spotify and on probably YouTube, watching some videos, masasabi ko, hindi ganong kalakasan ng kanyang sound coming off from the loudspeaker which is hidden down here. And I would really suggest that you should use your favorite headphones na wired 3.5mm audio jack, or you can simply use a wireless one, TWS or wireless headphones. And I can suggest you that you use something like this. It's a Logitech na G435, and this is probably one of the best and one of the lightest na meron ko, no, na wireless gaming headset. And it's really cool. You can extend it just like this, and the color is really nice and very trendy. Blue, pink, and purple na combination. And meron pa nga siya wire dito sa gilid. Wala, pang pa-cool lang. And I can say na it's really fun to use. And it gives me that feeling na you want to game more dahil meron din siya low latency kasi gaming nga siya. And the sound is really great. I feel comfy, especially wearing this one. Hindi siya masakit sa tenga, no? Unlike other na headphones which pag tumagal, masakit, medyo mainit. This one, magaan na siya, masarap na suotin, plus maganda pa nga ng tunog. So you can use it also on watching videos and even listening to music on Spotify. If you want to know kung saan pwede mabili itong Logitech na G435, link on the description below. So trying some gaming here sa phone na ito, I can say na it can run the game, walang problema. But I can suggest that you should run it at a lower graphical settings para hindi siya mag-hang. Hindi masyado umitin ng phone. So I did try to play Call of Duty Mobile on this one. Binaba ko ng husto ang kanyang graphical settings. Okay naman siya. I was able to breeze through. And I can say na, well, you would be able to enjoy it, but probably not to the extent na you'll be enjoying like you're playing on a gaming phone. Hindi mo mafe-feel yun. This one just able to give you that quick game throughout the day. Gusto mo lang just sit down, relax, and just play one quick game, two quick game. Okay na okay. Kayang-kaya naman na itong phone na ito. And probably one of the things na napansin ko dito sa phone na ito is when you play long hours, medyo umiinit na talaga siya. So I would suggest that you buy something cooler like this one. And this is the Memo na DL07 na phone cooler. It is designed to cool down your phone drastically. And what I mean by drastically is, well, 5 to 6 degrees Celsius means a lot. If your phone is heating up like mga 44 degrees Celsius to 45, kapit mo lang to, it will bring it down to probably 39 or 38, which is okay, di ba? Which is probably cool. And it's very easy to mount. All you need to do, i-mount mo lang to sa likod. Just like this, and you're good to go. Ganito kasimple lang, and you should power it on using a power bank, or if your phone supports reverse charging, mas okay. Wala nang power bank. Want to check this out? Link on the description below. Pag-usapan natin ang kanyang quad camera setup. 50MP main lens, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth sensor, and together sa harap, meron din siya 8MP na front selfie shooter. Now, one of the things that I can say about this phone is bring it outdoors, it was able to shoot some really nice photos. And true enough, dahil Samsung naman gumawa nito, so I expect nothing but one of the better camera at this price point. And especially packing in na 4 cameras at this price, 9,500. I mean, it's something. And you can see some of the photos here is really bright and really good. And even though at some low light na scene, it was still able to shoot some photos like this. Clear and okay. Now, for the selfie camera, I can say that itong 8MP is quite good. It was able to shoot some photos, outdoors, indoors, even though na medyo low light, wala problema. It's still good. And, well, sometimes sobrang low light, it's a little bit grainy, but of course, syempre, you might want to switch to a little more brighter na indoor to take in some of those better shots. Guys, what's my thought about this phone? See, Samsung Galaxy A13 is a good phone on this price point. 9,500 for your 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage is much more enough for me. And I can see that the Exynos 850 is, well, just your average chip which can get you through the day without a problem. But of course, sometimes there are some apps na pag inopen mo, might take you some time to process. So, yeah, you might take some patience using this phone. And if you're a power-hungry user, I would suggest you get something higher from Samsung, like the Galaxy A23 or a little bit higher. Now, if you're a more power-hungry user, I would suggest that you get some phones from the Galaxy A series, yung mga mas mataas na variants, to be able to enjoy with lesser loading time as your daily driver. Overall, itong phone na ito is quite good for average people, average user. But if you're power-hungry, like I said, it might not be suited for you. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi na miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?